Well. Let me get a look at them. You must be.
Fingers!
You must be.
Senpai?
And pink diamonds.
Titty sprinkles.
Fuck you with her. Isn't that just swell?
You saw me!
Oh, but it can be. And it is. I got a new few new toys that are gonna put an end to your ever after once and for all.
Whoa,
You asshole! Wait! No, Jesus Christ! Dude, stop it! Stop!
Yes, I'm sorry, I do not speak English, okay.
Little message to the universe. On loop!
Boss!
I just love that part where Pink Diamond spends the rest of her days on this nowhere with a bunch of...
Boss!
That's right, I heard the story.
Boss!
Gee, it's swell to finally meet other friends.
Boss!
That's right, I
Boss! Boom! You!
I'm gonna kick your ass, bitch.
Fucking ring! Fucking ring! Boss! Boss!
Did you think all this time that I wouldn't find out about
What's up, bitch?
Boss!
Boss!
Story over and over.
Boom!
Gee, it's swell to finally meet other friends.
She's running circles around us.
I'm right. Give me a break.
It really is her. But she can't be serious.
Fuck that shit! Fuck you!
Saying I'm the loser of the game. You didn't know you were playing. Let's
But first, let me take a selfie.
Gee, it's swell to finally beat her other friends.
Boss!
But I heard the story.
Boss!
Don't really like how it ends. Gee,
Boss!
her other.
So!